Niĩ twĩna PS tũtiandastandaga tũrerwo kĩwanja gĩtingĩiganĩra atĩa.
Kuma gĩcagi gwĩ kĩrathi gĩa kĩmataifa. Kĩwanja kĩrĩa kĩrako gũkũ Maragwa kĩa Gakoigo International Stadium.
Because the people from the Ginda ward were for the stadium to remain in Gakoigo Stadium, which is located in Ginda ward. But after the surveyors and the land planners came through, we realized that it was not enough. We needed to extend. We needed a bigger space so that it can fit the stadium, which is supposed to occupy 10,000 people at a go.
Kĩwanja gĩkĩ kĩrĩkoragwo kĩnyitĩte ageni makiri na makiri a eroreri na magongona manene gũkũ Maragwa.
Therefore, we have been having several public participation, like around 5 public participation, trying to see the way forward. And we came to a conclusion that we are going to do summer in Shagaki ward, which is just a neighboring, Ginda. And in any case, it is in Maragwa division.
That view is very nice, and we are so happy as students because pia itatusaidia pia sisi tukiwa na ground ingine hapa. Besides that, ile tumekuwa nayo Kakoigo, we've been using it. So tukipata ingine uwanja zitakuwa tuseme 3 ama 2.
Hivyo no korwo ni uraretie mwario no ti tondu ni uramenyaga gitumi niki. Tondu gikorwo ni urendeirio propaganda giharo ni kirathamio Gakoigo gitwarwo Makuyuri. Kweli no warie wega. Ukimenya kirari kia mwena ukana kia division ino. No rĩrĩa ona iguire kĩrĩa kĩratũma kĩharo gĩthame kuma Gakoigo.
Kũringana na engineer wa thirikari augĩte he mĩeri 8 ĩroka Gakoigo National Stadium ĩgakorwo ĩrũgamĩte mũgũnda-inĩ ũyũ mũrona haha.
Okay, most of us, we are the students from Murang'a Technical. We have those skills in the building. So we'd like the government pia to consider kwa kujenga.
Maragwa here need a job, people give us a job chance. I think it is for labor, for carpenter, for mason, engineer, and operator. Total.
And painters.
Yes, and the painters many chance.
Nĩ twĩyumĩrie itoke tũrie wĩra gũkũ wa MJ. Tupo site tukue site pia sisi.
Sasa hakuna kusota tena juu. Wenyewe tunakuwa na talanta lakini hata tujaipata kwenda Atlanta. Sasa unacheki sasa kuna vile sasa najua this time round kuna vile tuko mbele juu tutakuwa na mboka, tutakuwa na wera, so kwa hivyo tutaweza kuendelea. Kwa sababu hiyo kitu sasa tunasema hata mimi nisiachwe nyuma, pia mimi nataka kazi juu wenyewe kumesota.
Within an estimated time ya 8 months kazi itakuwa imeisha na tutakuwa vijana watapata kazi, watapewa priority.
Tumekuwa na challenge ya kwenda kuchezea game kama tuko na game za international, tunaenda mahali kama Kiharu, tunaenda kwa constituencies zingine. Kwa hivyo hiyo hatua yenye wamepiga ni hatua iko poa. Hii ground ikikuja iproposiwa ikuja hapa, pia sisi kama wachezaji wenye tuko local tukue tunapewa chance ya kuingia kwa hiyo ground, tunaweza kushabiki, tunaweza kucheza ball huko, tusiweze kunyimwa nafasi sisi mawote.
Andũ arĩa mena mĩgũnda hoguo nayo no ĩgũthiĩ ĩgĩe value.
Ayuthi a Ginda ward na Ishagaki ward nĩ megũkorwo makĩona opportunities cia mawĩra gũkũ.
Kĩwanja gĩkĩ nĩ gĩgũkorwo gĩteithia ayuthi kũrĩra njohi na ndawa cia kũrebia.
Kĩharo gĩkĩ no gĩkorwo gĩkĩandandũra wonjoria wa Maragwa.
Tũkuona development thĩinĩ wa constituency itũ na youth nĩ kũgunĩka na ona ithuĩ andũ a biacara nĩ mekũgunĩka. In fact, I'm here nĩgetha nyoni harĩa gwakaga structure nyanjĩrĩrie hoteli yakwa hau nĩgetha mabundi makĩambĩrĩria gwaka. I'm there. Ndĩramenderia cabaci thĩ hau nĩ ũndũ wa wada.
Na nĩ kuona rĩu nĩ tũgũkorwo na handũ ha gwĩkagĩra concert nene ĩngĩhota kũhold andũ aingĩ.
Gũcokeria the national government ngatho nyingĩ mũno na our MP Honorable wa Maua, MCA aitũ Mwangi wa M-Pesa wa Ginda ward na wa Ishagaki Mr. Hilary nguria acio angĩ nĩ ngũmacokeria ngatho mũno. Community nĩ ũndũ wa gũgĩtĩkĩra.
Kĩũria kĩrĩa twĩna kĩo thutha wa mĩeri 8 nĩ atĩ kĩwanja gĩkĩ nĩ gĩgũkorwo kĩarĩka kana no iroto. Nĩ ngũmũiga updates Mlango TV.